Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.